Cartesian plane. As you know, this is a Cartesian plane. This is a triangle ABC whose coordinates are x2 by 2, x1 by 1, x3 by 3. Okay, I shaded this triangle ABC. That means I am going to find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, for that, first of all, we need to draw AB perpendicular to x-axis and BQ perpendicular to x-axis and CR perpendicular to x-axis. Because AP, BQ, CR are perpendicular to the same line. If three or more lines are perpendicular to same line, then those lines are parallel to one another. So here AP is parallel to BQ and BQ is parallel to CR. Now our task is to find area of triangle ABC. How to find area of triangle ABC? For that, first of all, we have to consider the polygon APRCB. This is a polygon. This is an entire polygon. From this polygon, there are two trapeziums APQB. This is one trapezium. That means area of this trapezium plus area of this trapezium BQRC. This is another trapezium BQRC. From this, I should remove one more trapezium, that is APRC. This is another trapezium. So area of this trapezium plus area of this trapezium minus, I should remove this trapezium. What is the trapezium? APRC. Okay. So area of triangle ABC is equal to, first of all, area of this trapezium APQB is equal to, as I said in the previous class, half into PQ into, what is the distance of PQ? From PQ means this is x1. x1 minus x1 minus x2. Okay, PQ is equal to x1 minus x2 into AP. AP is y2 plus BQ y1. Okay, plus this is over. Now this trapezium, half into area of this trapezium BQRC, half into QR. What is QR? x3 minus x2. x3 minus x2 into sum of the parallel sides BQ is y1 plus y3 minus area of this trapezium, half into PR. What is PR? x3 minus x2. This is x3 and this is x2. x3 minus x2 into y2. The length of this AP is y2 and y3. y2 minus y3. Okay. Now let's simplify this. Take half as common. Half into, I am taking half as common, x1 minus x2 into y2 plus y1 plus x3 minus x2 into y1 plus y3 plus x3 minus x2. This is x3 minus x2. So this is x1 minus x2. QR is x3 minus x1. Sorry, this is x1, not x2. Here x1 minus, this is x1. Sorry, this is x1. Okay, sorry for the mistake. Okay, x3 minus x1. QR is equal to x3 minus x1. Okay, so x3 minus x1. x3 minus x1 into y1 plus y3 minus x3 minus x2 as usual, x3 minus x2 into y2 plus y3. Now close the bracket. Half into, okay, multiply x1 into y2 plus y1 minus x2 into y2 plus y1 plus this one x3 into y1 plus y3 minus x1 into y1 plus y3 minus, this is over, plus, sorry, this is minus, this is not plus, this is minus, okay, minus, sorry, minus, keep it in the bracket again, x3 into y2 plus y3 minus x2 into y2 plus y3, close the bracket. That gives half into multiply x1 y2 plus x1 y1. Okay, here minus x2 y2 minus it plus minus x2 y1. This is over. This multiplication is over. Plus x3 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x1 y1 minus it plus minus x1 y3. Okay, here again keep this in the bracket, x3 y2 plus x3 y3 minus x2 y2 minus x2 y3. Okay, keep this in separate bracket. Okay, now half into, now again x1 y2 plus x1 y1 minus x2 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x3 y1 plus x3 y3 minus x1 y1 minus x1 y3. Now remove the bracket, that becomes minus x3 y3. Suppose if you remove this bracket, all the terms inside the bracket will change the sign. x3 becomes x3 y2 minus x2 y3, sorry, x3 y2 minus x3 y3, x3 y3, and this becomes minus x2 y2 minus x2 y3. Okay, now cancel the opposite terms, plus x1 y1 minus x1 y1 minus x1 y1, both of them will be cancelled, plus x1 y1 minus x1 y1. Next x2 y2 plus x2 y2 minus x2 y2 plus x2 y2. Next x3 y3 plus x3 y3 plus x3 y3 minus x3 y3, got cancels. Okay, now let us write the remaining terms, half into, okay, what is the remaining, x1 y2 minus x2 y1, okay, plus, not x1 y1, okay, no, x1 y1, x1 y2, we will find some other x1 term, minus x1 y3, okay, so that we can take x1 as common. Okay, I am writing this term and this term, these two terms are there. Next minus, where is plus x2 term? X2 plus x2 y3, x2 y3 minus x2 term minus x2 y1. So these two terms are with x2. So these two terms, these two are over. Next x3 y1, x3 y1. One more time, I think that is remaining. X3 term, s minus x3 y2. Now take here half into, from these two take x1 as common, x1 into y2 minus y3. Here take x2 as common, plus x2 into y3 minus y1, plus from this take x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, so this is the final formula. Half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2. So this is the final formula, okay, for finding area of a triangle whose coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, hope you understood this, I think, this video. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to Private Tutorials for more details.